AI tools companies use to reduce staff and save costs, 2026, Future Jobs by AliAzizQualityEducation.
AliAzizQualityEducation channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way companies operate. Many organizations are now using AI tools to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce operational costs. As a result, some traditional roles are being replaced or reduced. However, AI is not only about replacing jobs, it is also about improving productivity and creating 1. AI chatbots for customer support. Many companies now use AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries. These chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, provide instant responses 24/7, solve basic customer problems. This reduces the need for large customer service teams while improving response time. 2. AI recruitment tools. Companies are using AI-powered hiring systems to screen job applicants automatically. These tools can scan hundreds of resumes quickly, identify qualified candidates, schedule interviews automatically. This reduces the workload of HR departments and saves time in recruitment. 3. Automated accounting software. AI-based accounting tools help companies manage financial tasks efficiently. They can track expenses, generate financial reports, detect errors and fraud. Automation reduces the need for large accounting teams. 4. AI marketing automation tools. Marketing teams now use AI tools to automate campaigns and analyze customer behavior. These tools help companies target the right audience, automate email marketing, analyze marketing performance. This allows companies to run effective campaigns with fewer staff. 5. AI content creation tools. Many companies use AI to generate content for blogs, social media, and advertisements. These tools can write articles, create marketing copy, generate social media posts. This reduces the need for large content creation teams. 6. AI data analysis tools. Data analysis used to require large teams of analysts. Now AI can process huge amounts of data in seconds. AI tools can identify trends, predict customer behavior, provide business insights. This helps companies make faster decisions with fewer resources. 7. AI scheduling and productivity tools. Companies use AI to automate daily administrative tasks such as meeting scheduling, task management, workflow automation. These tools improve efficiency and reduce administrative workload. 8. AI in manufacturing and operations. In industries like manufacturing, AI-powered robots and automation systems can perform repetitive tasks. These systems work continuously without breaks, reduce human errors, increase production efficiency. This significantly lowers operational costs. Important reality about AI. While AI reduces some jobs, it also creates new roles such as AI specialists, data analysts, automation engineers, AI trainers. People who learn AI skills will have better career opportunities in the future. Conclusion. AI tools are helping companies reduce costs, increase productivity, and automate routine tasks. Instead of fearing AI, professionals should focus on learning new skills and adapting to technological changes. The future workforce will belong to people who know how to work with AI, not those who ignore it.